WP-116 is a high-quality water repellent. It is water-based solution, which is internationally accepted formula for waterproofing. Instruction to use the product. Gecko WP-116 uses for tiles and marbles are as follows. First, clean the joints with water and hard brush. Rub the joints properly and make it dust-free. Fill the tile joints with the tile grater and WP-116. The mixing ratio of tile grater and WP-116 will be 3:1. After filling the joints, keep it dry for 4 hours. Apply first coat of WP-116 with the brush or roller directly on the joints and keep it 24 hours. Apply the second coat of WP-116 with the same process and keep it dry for 24 hours. Start getting result. Gecko WP-116 uses for new constructed wall, roofs, terrace. Instruction to use the product. Clean the surface and make it dust-free. Apply first coat of WP-116 and keep it for 6 hours to dry. Apply second coat of WP-116 and again keep it for 6 hours. After applying the second coat, use wall putty and WP-116 into 3:1 ratio and apply 2 coats for better result. After that, apply paint. Start getting result. Total Protection Plus. To make the surface dust and stain free. The mixing ratio of the tile grater and Total Protection Plus will be 3:1. Fill the tile joints with tile grater and Total Protection Plus. After filling the joints, keep it dry for 4 hours. Apply first coat of Total Protection Plus with the brush or roller directly on the joints and keep it 24 hours. Apply the second coat of Total Protection Plus with the same process and keep it dry for 24 hours. Coverage. As a waterproofing coating, use it in 2:2 2m square or kilogram. Use 2 coats. As a motor modifier, use 6 to 7.5 kg Total Protection Plus per 50 kg of cement. As a bonding agent, use 4.2 to 4.5 meter square per kg per coat. Precaution. Do not consume orally. In case it happened by mistake, immediately consult doctor and include vomiting. Recommended storage condition. Maintain water-cement ratio as low as possible, lesser than 0.5 for higher durability of concrete and mortar. Best before 2 years from the date of manufacture, when in sealed pack and stored under proper condition.